首先，首先。
First. First of all.
First. First of all.
在出国之前，你必须首先记住携带所有必要的证件。在出国之前，你必须首先记住携带所有必要的证件。
Before leaving the country, you must first remember to bring all the necessary documents.
Before leaving the country, you must first remember to bring all the necessary documents.
想要克服面试紧张情绪，首先要对自己有信心。想要克服面试紧张情绪，首先要对自己有信心。
If you want to overcome interview nerves, you must first have confidence in yourself.
If you want to overcome interview nerves, you must first have confidence in yourself.
想要把事情做成功，首先要确定目标。想要把事情做成功，首先要确定目标。
If you want to do something successfully, you must first set your goals.
If you want to do something successfully, you must first set your goals.
首先，在选择专业之前，你需要搞清楚自己真正感兴趣的领域和方向。首先，在选择专业之前，你需要搞清楚自己真正感兴趣的领域和方向。
First of all, before choosing a major, you need to figure out the fields and directions that you are really interested in.
First of all, before choosing a major, you need to figure out the fields and directions that you are really interested in.
正式，正式。
Formal. Officially.
Formal. Officially.
他今天穿得很正式出席这个重要会议。他今天穿得很正式出席这个重要会议。
She was dressed formally to attend this important meeting today.
She was dressed formally to attend this important meeting today.
她正式宣布与男友结婚。她正式宣布与男友结婚。
She officially announced her marriage to her boyfriend.
She officially announced her marriage to her boyfriend.
我们还没有收到正式通知。我们还没有收到正式通知。
We have not received official notification yet.
We have not received official notification yet.
留，留。
To leave.
To leave.
他给我留下了极深的印象。他给我留下了极深的印象。
He left a deep impression on me.
He left a deep impression on me.
大学生活给我留下了甜甜的回忆。大学生活给我留下了甜甜的回忆。
College life left me with sweet memories.
College life left me with sweet memories.
他又热情又有礼貌，给客人留下了非常好的印象。他又热情又有礼貌，给客人留下了非常好的印象。
She was warm and polite and left a very good impression on her guests.
She was warm and polite and left a very good impression on her guests.
其次，其次。
Second. Next.
Second. Next.
首先要制定目标，其次要全身心投入工作。首先要制定目标，其次要全身心投入工作。
First set your goals, and secondly devote yourself to your work.
First set your goals, and secondly devote yourself to your work.
上课时，首先要认真听课，其次要积极回答老师的问题。上课时，首先要认真听课，其次要积极回答老师的问题。
During class, you must first listen carefully to the class, and secondly, actively answer the teacher's questions.
During class, you must first listen carefully to the class, and secondly, actively answer the teacher's questions.
考试时，首先要放松心情，其次要积极回答所有问题。考试时，首先要放松心情，其次要积极回答所有问题。
During the exam, you must first relax and secondly, answer all questions proactively.
During the exam, you must first relax and secondly, answer all questions proactively.
诚实，诚实。
Honest.
Honest.
他为人诚实，所以获得领导的信任。他为人诚实，所以获得领导的信任。
He is honest, so he gains the trust of his leaders.
He is honest, so he gains the trust of his leaders.
他诚实守信，把这个任务交给他，我挺放心的。他诚实守信，把这个任务交给他，我挺放心的。
He is honest and trustworthy, and I feel relieved to entrust this task to him.
He is honest and trustworthy, and I feel relieved to entrust this task to him.
公司聘请的保安人员必须诚实可靠。公司聘请的保安人员必须诚实可靠。
Security guards hired by the company must be honest and reliable.
Security guards hired by the company must be honest and reliable.
改变，改变。
Change.
Change.
他改变了原来的计划。他改变了原来的计划。
He changed his original plan.
He changed his original plan.
最后，他改变了主意。最后，他改变了主意。
Finally, he changed his mind.
Finally, he changed his mind.
日常习惯很难改变。日常习惯很难改变。
Daily habits are hard to change.
Daily habits are hard to change.
科学技术的发展改变了我们的生活。科学技术的发展改变了我们的生活。
The development of science and technology has changed our lives.
The development of science and technology has changed our lives.
谢谢观看。